How Birds of Prey should have ended.
They say if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Or you can just change the ending with a nitpicky video about it later on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah, short for that, I guess. How Birds of Prey should have ended. Because there's more words to the title
What?
of the
Really
movie.
Sorry, Mr. S. This
We
kid.
never even got our hands on it.
That's not true.
What? Shut up. Yes, it is. Don't listen to her, boss. She's lying.
No, I'm not. I had the diamond, but this fool took it from me because he didn't trust
Black
me,
Mask
Gary.
and Hizzy style.
Then he got himself pickpocketed by a
Not
little
bad
kid.
likeness to
Dude,
Ewan.
Shut up. I hate you so much.
Victor, why would you do that? Why would you lie to me? I'm going to have to ask you to cut your own face off now.
But,
Are you gonna do
I
a
don't
Star?
want
Is
to.
there gonna be a Star Wars reference?
But you don't have a choice.
Oh. Shots fired! Shots fired! Harley Quinn! She's using non-lethal glitter bomb! Hey, stop right there!
Harley Quinn's taking us out one by one!
Well, Jesus, stop taking turns and group up then.
Oh no.
Freeze!
Well,
We already know where Harley Quinn lives. Tell us where she is.
No, we'll give you lots and lots of money.
Oh boy. Yeah, he says no.
Okay, I guess we'll just go ask someone else then.
Okay, let's go bring back Harley Quinn and that diamond-stealing kid from the funhouse. Just gonna put my phone in my pocket so no private text messages jump out in the open while we
What are
drive.
you talking about?
Nothing. And we're off.
Oh.
And we're off.
This is how it really should have
You
ended.
don't think you can stand on your own, Quinn?
Yeah, this scene.
Time! You need me!
I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you.
What's gonna happen?
Not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley.
No, because I'm not here. I got you.
Really?
Come on!
Let me go!
You're supposed to be Batgirl. What is that?
Whoops.
You obviously have a lot to learn.
Son of a crap nut.
Harley! What happened?
That man just swooped
Crap
in and
nut?
took everything.
Oh, come on! Are you serious?
Well, this is Gotham City. He was bound to show up sooner or later.
I really thought this time was gonna be different. Not the usual same old song and
Hey,
dance. Oh no.
Joker.
what's up?
You look different.
I know.
You look
Yeah.
good.
Wanna get out of here? Get into some trouble?
I don't need you. Haven't you been paying attention? I got my girls now.
Yeah.
Yeah, screw you, clown.
Whatever. I don't care. See ya.
Oh, he's so mysterious in that rebel without a cause sort of way. I just can't resist it. Why didn't you wait for me?
Harley, no! Yeah, don't be stupid.
I'm sorry, girls. He just looks like what I wanted the first time. So we're back together.
At the villain pub.
After the way he's treated you, yeah, I thought you would have shot him in the nuts. So you did. Ah,
Exactly.
Oh, I'd never do that to my snookles. Besides,
Like Harley still had feelings for Joker, even when Joker was through with her. Oh, nice with the credits. Alright, what else is gonna be here? Okay.
You ladies have a cafe too.
I was just about to say
That's cool.
Yep.
something.
Your friend pooped out this diamond and said it belonged to you. So I thought I'd bring it over because, well,
Because you're Batman?
I was gonna say because it's gross and I don't want a nasty poop diamond. But sure, I am also Batman. I would wash that if I were you.
Thanks.
So, your rich parents were killed, and now you channel that rage to fight crime. I know what that's like.
Yep.
You wanna know my
Yep.
secret identity?
Do you know who I am?
I'm saying to you, wanna know who I am. Okay, so, cops in Gotham don't like you either. Do you want to know my secret?
Barking up the wrong tree there, bad boy.
Oh, okay. So, you have supersonic voice powers.
Yeah.
I can make my voice sound different with technology.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to know?
And Superman.
So you struck out?
What?
The hyena. I saw him. Oh, yeah. Brizzy voices. Who did she voice again? Was it Harley Quinn? I'm pretty sure it was, yeah. It'd have to be, because she can do a Harley Quinn impression. That's awesome. Let's see Hizzy get Brian Hall. That would be awesome. They've gotten some those YouTubers from like such as Brizzy Voices, you know, guest starring on their videos doing voices, including like say, oh, what was his name again? Who did that? Like say, he sang a bunch of characters like singing All Star, and then there was one. And what was the other one? Who can do a really good Robin Williams impression? And he did a Kenobi fan film, so he did the voice of the genie in Hizzy's Aladdin. So, and they got oh god, what's his face? Who the Honest Trailer's voice? He's appeared on. He's been on Hizzy a few times. So, but it'd be awesome if like say they got Brian Hall. That would be cool. All right, well, that was how Birds of Prey should have ended. It was awesome. I loved it. Hey guys, so that was my reaction to the how it should have ended video, or you know, Hizzy for short. Of course, being how Birds of Prey should have ended. I loved it, as I said. It was really good. Yeah, of course, I did laugh and such, and it was funny, and some of its moments, and Batman appearing, you know, from Ben Affleck's Batman to Hizzy's Batman, that is, you know, Superhero Cafe, and Walking Phoenix Joker making a cameo. That was pretty good. Yeah, just, excuse me. Bumped into something. Yeah, so this Hizzy video was really good. I enjoyed it, and, yeah, it was just awesome. It was really good. But anyways, and you guys let me know what, you know, if you've seen it, and what do you think, just, you know. But anyway, so if that said, I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to how Birds of Prey should have ended. More new reaction videos coming your way. They're going to be awesome. Keep looking forward, and I'll see you guys in the next video / review video. Take care, and peace out.